Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Get ready to slay the day in just 5 minutes. In this quick and easy morning routine, we're showing you how to go from zero to flawless in no time. From skincare to makeup, hair and outfit, we're sharing our top tips and tricks to help you look and feel amazing in record time. Whether you're running late for work, school or a night out with friends, this 5-minute routine is perfect for busy bees on the go. So can you really get ready in 5 minutes and still look flawless? Watch to find out. Most people take 30 minutes to get ready, but when time's tight, it can shrink to just 10. It's a race to look polished, leaving many wishing for just a few extra minutes to perfect their style. Today, I'm putting myself to the test to see if I can get ready in just 5 minutes and still look flawless. Let's do this. Setting up. Ever found yourself staring at the clock, knowing you've only got 5 minutes to get ready? It's a challenge we all face, trying to pull off a flawless look while racing against the clock. I've been there, juggling a messy bun, a quick swipe of mascara, and hoping my outfit doesn't clash. With a few savvy tricks, you can turn those frantic moments into a stunning success. I've got my timer set for 5 minutes, and I've gathered my essentials. Ready? Let's do this. Starting the timer. Alright, starting in 3, 2, 1, go! Step-by-step application. First up, we're going with a tinted moisturizer for that quick coverage. It hydrates and evens out the skin tone without feeling heavy. Apply it with your fingers, super fast. Next, let's add a dab of concealer to cover any blemishes or dark circles. Just a little goes a long way. Now for the eyes. I'm using a cream eyeshadow. Easy to blend and perfect for a quick pop of color. Just swipe it on and blend with your finger. Time for mascara! This is a must for making your eyes look wide awake. Just a couple of coats and we're good to go. Finishing touches. Okay, we're almost there. Let's finish off with a quick blush for that healthy glow. I love using a cream blush. It's so easy to apply. Lastly, a tinted lip balm for some color and hydration. Perfect for a natural finish. And time's up! Let's see the final look. Can you believe we did all that in just 5 minutes? I'm feeling fresh and fabulous. Remember to take note of the steps: moisturizer, concealer, eyeshadow, mascara, blush, lip balm. If you enjoyed this challenge, give it a thumbs up and let me know your favorite quick makeup tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun makeup challenges and tips. Until next time, stay beautiful.